Hello traders, welcome to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my trading desk setup. Let's get started. So let's start. So this is my trading desk. Actually I just ordered it from one of the local carpenter. So this was costed me around 50k. This has some 3 drawers and one small cupboard with this thick glass. So coming here, this is my personal mobile, and this is the calci. I prefer to use this calci instead of using the laptop calci, because while analyzing the intraday charts, I can just calculate it easily. I can just get the results. And this is my old mobile. I use this for Google alerts and trade alerts, and for Bangalore Trader YouTube channel, Instagram and WhatsApp and Telegram messages. And this Protronics stand, this costed me around $200, and this I ordered from Flipkart. Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse, and this is HP 745 G6, and this is 745 G2 laptops, and this is BenQ 27-inch monitor. So I like this because it has some eye sensing thing and it has some night mode. So while analyzing charts, the eyes will not get strained much compared to other things. And that's my 100 Mbps internet connection. And this is Intel lens, blue cut lens. This costed me around some 800 rupees. And then coming here, this is my trading chair. You can call it trading chair or gaming chair, whatever it is. I ordered it from Amazon. It costed me around 15,000. Initially when I bought it, I didn't like much, but after that, while analyzing charts, I can just stretch my legs and around, I can relax and I can trade. So I'm just liking this chair very much now. And I like greenery things, so this is my green pot. So this is my trading desk setup. So apart from all these things, I want to tell you one important thing. So to be successful as a trader, you don't need all this the tables, the laptops, monitors or desks, nothing. You need a trading skill. You can just trade with a small mobile and just a pen and paper. With a good discipline, you can be a successful trader. If you like this video, please subscribe to this Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Thank you.